The verdict is still out on this Bose system. I had to take the bottom portion over to the recycling center. I couldn't get it to work. And we were hearing the CD changer, the little gear, the spindle was churning and it was whirring away. I even tried pulling some of those ribbon cables out and reconnecting them, but I couldn't get that fixed, so that's a goner. When I was checking out the top portion, I was noticing a lot of bass sound coming. And for a while I thought that maybe it was just the woofer and one speaker that powers this whole system, the way the sound kind of recirculates through the unit. But then I did some further testing and found that the right speaker is not working. So I pulled that out and I ordered one on eBay. Actually, I had to order two. And it's coming up from Anaheim, so I should be getting that in a few days. I'm pretty sure that once I get that speaker installed and connected, that I'll have the full sound left and right. And I'll let you know when that happens. I'm sure hoping that is all it needs. The speakers that I ordered from Anaheim to replace the ones in the Bose system arrived today. So I've taken it apart. I had a struggle getting it apart this time because one of the screws wouldn't release. But I've gotten this far, so I'm going to go ahead and try to install the left and right speakers to see if I can get full sound. Well, starting with the left one. Okay, left and right speakers are screwed in now. Now I'm going to have to reattach this head unit, and that's not easy. It has to go in just right, slide, all the screws have to line up and and hit those threaded holes. Okay, this is the test. The speakers are installed, the case is back together. So we're going to do a left and right channel test to see if I'm getting sound equally on both sides.
You should be hearing the sound at equal volume from both speakers. If not, please adjust your balance control. Just in review, this is the left channel. This is the right channel. And now, both channels.
So I guess I'm going to keep the Bose
stereo sound, and you will hear the full range, quality, and fidelity of